My name is Elizondo, and I'm in Aviation's department. Since I was working at the airport and enjoyed working around airplanes, the love for it just grew. So I decided to come back and finish my path so I can go on and become an aircraft mechanic. My father actually came here not knowing. I knew he went to St. Philip's, but I always thought it was the main campus. And when I found out, it was also kind of cool to know that I'm going to be graduating from the same school that my dad graduated from. It's a really different experience here at the Southwest campus. It's really nice because we're all a family here. After I received my certification and licensing, there's so many opportunities in aviation. So I don't want to limit myself. I will apply for many opportunities out there and see who offers me the best that I can get for my services. Not that women can't do what I'm going to do, but I do notice that there are lacking of females in this industry, and I just strive to become the best one I can be,